Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how you can get started with iOS 26 foundation model, and in this particular session or this video we will be looking into language model session. So let's get started. Now first, I don't have a real device which supports Apple Intelligence, and if you are like me, what easiest way you can do is you can use the simulator. But to use the simulator you will have to update to macOS Tahoe, which is macOS 26. macOS Sequoia will also not work, even though if you have Xcode 26 installed on macOS Sequoia it will not work. You require macOS Tahoe for this, unfortunately. So make sure you at least upgrade to macOS Tahoe. You have Xcode 26 installed, and if you already have an Apple Intelligence device, you can run this output on an Apple Intelligence device. Okay, so here I'm just asking it which places to visit in India, reply with only places name. So here you can see the question, and we don't have anything on the UI side as such, but whatever output we get, we just display it in the console. So here you can see I'm just writing a print statement. I'm using UI kit, but the same logic you can use it inside Swift UI as well. There is nothing UI related code inside this particular application. It's all business logic, so it doesn't really matter whether you use UI kit or Swift UI. So let's just wait for it to display the output. So it should display the output as well. So also, if you are testing on real device, you will have to enable Apple Intelligence, but I have mentioned those use cases as well in case Apple Intelligence is not available. As you can see, I am printing out Apple Intelligence not enabled. So this is taking a bit of time on the simulator anyways. So first what you need to do is just go to your view controller, and here I have imported foundation model, right? Then here I have created language model session. So this is the session which we create. Then here is our model, system language model.default. So this model helps us to understand whether Apple Intelligence or foundation models are available on the device or not. So inside view did load, I just add this particular switch case model.availability. If it is available, then we just create a task, and here we just do try await session.respond, and here we ask a question. Now whenever you are asking question, don't ask questions related to world knowledge. This is not what foundation models are used for. They are used to help you with certain tasks, right? So suppose I am visiting so and so place, or help me write a story based on this particular character, or I have this thing in mind. So it is not really good in not really good at world knowledge. Okay, if you want something with world knowledge, then you will have to use OpenAI with server side LLMs, something like that. So do keep that in mind. Here you can see it has printed the output on what all places which I visit. You will get a completely different output. It's very much possible. So yeah, the foundation model gives different output every single time. And here you can see once the model is available, I'm just using this task session.respond. Here you can ask whatever question you want and just print the contents output. And in case Apple Intelligence is unavailable, then we come over here. In case models are not ready, here we say model not ready, and this is the default use case. In default use case, I think typically you should just copy this and paste it over here, but I have just said model not ready as well. I'm not sure what exactly we should do with default use case. We require default use case for switch cases. So yeah, it's up to you how you want to handle default use case. So yeah, that's it. If you have any questions, do let me know in the comments.